Picked up this skin tag remover kit, and I'm gonna open up the package, let you see what's in there and everything, and then I'm gonna try it out. So in the package, this is the package here. It has a removal instructions to remove the skin tags. It's got two different size bands with two different size band applicators. It's got the applicator device, and it looks like 10 alcohol wipes. So based on the instructions, the basic idea of this is these little plastic pieces that go over the end. The blue one would go on the blue side, the white one would go on the white side, and what those pieces do is they attach to the end of this circle, and if you notice there's a hole there on each side. So when you put that plastic piece on, it lets you put the band, the rubber band at the end of it and roll it all the way up, which then puts the band around this plastic piece right here. So this little piece here is just to allow you to roll the band up and get it onto the edge of this applicator. Once the band is around the edge of this applicator, then you actually use the appropriate size based upon how big the skin tag is. Let's say it's a pretty big skin tag. You push this hole or this tube over the skin tag, which then will have the band around this plastic, and you basically just push the end of the applicator like this, and it rolls the band right on top of the skin tag, at the base of the skin tag. And you want the band to be around the base of the skin tag because you need it to cut off the circulation of the skin tag as far down to the skin as possible. And again, this side is the same way, it's just a smaller one. You push it, it just pushes the band over it. So like I was saying there, if you notice here is this cone, you push the band up and it falls into this little crack that's right here. Well, that would make the band stay around that little applicator that's there, and the same thing would happen on this side. You just choose which side of the applicator you need to use based upon the size of the skin tag. Then you take this end piece off, and you would end up having the band on the applicator. You push it in. Now the rubber band is around the base of the skin tag, and you're good to go. Now you're done. So it makes it very easy to just push the bands over the skin tags. All right, so I'm gonna test this product out and I will report back and let you know how it did for me. All right, so I'm checking back in. I'm not gonna put my body on this video, but it's been about 9 days, which probably is kind of long because it was a larger skin tag that I had, but it did exactly what it said. It's kind of shriveled up and it eventually just fell right off. And now you can't even tell that there was anything there at all. So there's no scar or nothing like that. There is a slightly lighter area, and that may be my mind playing tricks on me, but I'm sure that goes away and you could never tell that it was there. So I definitely do think that this works the way it's supposed to do. The only thing I would recommend to the manufacturer would be maybe a larger print instruction manual, maybe even if you have to fold it in half. I can't read this hardly anymore. I mean, I literally had to put on reading glasses and hold this back real far just to be able to read these tiny little instructions on this. So help us older people out that don't have the best vision and make a large print version of this so that way we can read it and make sure we're doing exactly what you want us to do. But I think it worked out great. Hey, if this review was helpful for you, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Y'all take care.